Okay guys, so it's Operation Clean Up. My house needs a deep cleaning, even though I feel like I did it like 2 weeks ago. But yeah, this bathroom first and foremost, let me show you. I mean, it's not too bad, but no, it is it is bad for the way that I like it to be. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I have to take everything out and the kitchen as well. Let me show you that. I already took everything out the kitchen. Don't mind this mirror here. This is my IKEA mirror that I gotta take out as soon as I find some place to put it, and a miscellaneous box of things. But I've already taken everything off the countertop. I just gotta take my laptop off. And everything from here. And I put like all this stuff on the floor. Yeah, and my entryway, I gotta get this together. Part of my living room. And this is my neon sign that finally came. I can't wait to put it up. And these are things that I just moved off of everything. Yes, 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 and more yes. My bedroom too, because I was cleaning. Let me show you some stuff. I was cleaning out my closet, so I have stacks of clothes that I have to organize. And that's just the pillows. I gotta change my sheets. I have a lot to do. I'm going on vacation soon and I want to get this done, the majority of it, before I go. So let's get to it. So first I'm gonna take the stuff out the bathroom and I am going to put some stuff in the washer.